Old versus new bike check. Let's see them. Starting off with the old Turner. Got an unknown RockShox fork. I've actually tried to find this on the internet, but I've never found the exact model. Let me know in the comments if you know which one this is. Both wheels are laced up to XTR hubs. Some of these parts on this bike surprise me. Deore XT 2-piston brakes. Race face stem and headset with a carbon spacer. Lockout control on the front fork. Worst part on this bike, the brakes integrate into the shifters. It's even got a dropper post. Fox Float RP23 shock. It's pretty good shock. We got a, oh, oops, that's not the right part. Ew, 3-speed up front, disgusting. 9-speed cassette, that's alright. And that's the Turner. Now we move up to the Ellsworth, starting off with a Fox 36 factory fork. Laced up to DT Swiss 240S 15 hubs. Dang. Deore XT 2-piston brakes with heat dispensing calipers. Shimano Ice Technologies rotor. Full carbon frame. Race face Atlas bars. And the shifters are not integrated into the brakes. Deore XT shifter. And a Fox transfer dropper post. Fox Float X2 factory shock. Front and back NVM70 rims. Dang, full carbon. Upgraded wolf tooth cage. And a 1x11 cassette. And that's the old versus new bike check. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.